guys, this is your girl Crown Me, Rastador. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring soft glam. You guys already know soft glam is just like my favorite look because it allows me to just have like a flawless finished face, and I love me a flawless face, but then you know I get to be so soft and whimsical on the eyes. Absolutely love that. Today I put a pop of yellow just to bring that spring in, bring that sunshine in, bring that nature in, bring those flowers and the warmth. If you guys can't tell already, I am ready for the spring and the warm weather to hit, okay? It needs to hurry up and hit New York City. Like, stop playing. Like, it's still cold outside. Like, what's going on? Ha! Anyway, stay tuned so you guys can see how I achieved this look. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are a subby already, you guys already know the deal. Y'all already know how I feel about you. The love is real. Go ahead on over to Instagram, same name as the YouTube, crown_me_rastador. Follow me over there so you can see all the fire pics I post after I shoot these videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. I'm going to jump into my brows. I'm going to first, of course, go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my brow freeze, my brow styling wax. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you guys already know this is just my jam. This is what I've been rocking with. It allows me to use a lot less product, and I just like how natural it makes my brows look. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. And now that I have the brow wax in my eyebrows, like, my brows look so full already. I don't know, I feel like because I always thought my eyebrows were so scanty, like they were so little bit, that I'm just so intrigued as how full this brow wax makes my eyebrows look. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and literally just fill in the tail. You guys see that? Like at this point, I just have to fill in my tail. And then I just go like at the bottom here, because just at the bottom of the hairs is still a little sparse. And once I do that, I'm pretty much done. Brush it through, and that's that. So I'm going to take my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in the shade Dark 24 and clean up around my brows. I'm going to go in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade Rumor 3, and place that on my eyelids. I'm actually rethinking my whole look. I was about to do like this graphic liner situation, like something real funky and real fun. But plans have changed and I'm actually going outside now. I'm about to go to dinner. So I decided to change up a little bit. I still want to make it like springtime and fresh. But yeah, I want to do more of a soft glam look because I don't know, for me personally, when I'm like going out to like a restaurant or something like that, I prefer like just, you know, sexy, sultry, soft glam look. So let's do like a spring sexy sultry look. So I'm gonna be using my two Wahala palettes. I have the Wahala 1 and the Wahala 2 palette. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Wahala 2, and in my crease I'm going to place this orange, which is called Wasted. Now I'm going to go into this chocolate brown out of this Wahala 2 palette and just kind of blend it out. As you can see, I'm actually using a very, very light hand with the brush because I want it to just like kind of be like kind of airbrushed in this area. I don't want it like too much. And blending in with the orange, it looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so good. Blending, blending, blending. Eyeshadow is all about blending. Look how pretty this orange and this brown have blended together. So even though that orange was a little bit lighter, adding this deeper chocolate brown to it has just like intensified that crease so nicely. Like, I love the way it looks. So then I'm just gonna go back in with the orange just to make sure I don't lose it and blend. Like, that's all eyeshadow is all about. Blend, 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 honey. Alright, I'm going to go into the first Wahala palette, and I'm going to pick up this yellow shade. I'm going to pick it up by itself first and see what it's given, and if not, I'll go in with a base. Let's see what the yellow just on its own is given. Oh wow, it's actually given. I don't think I need to go in with any base, honey. Or do I? I think I will though. Just because I'm extra. Just dust this off. Oh, it's not that serious. See, that's the problem. I don't want it to just dust off. See how it just dusted off like that? That's what I don't want. That's that I don't like. So now that that base is down, now I'm going to go in with the yellow over top it. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go back into the brown to just blend the outer corner. Alright y'all, so I really intensified this outer V with this brown, and I'm loving it. These looks just require so much blending. Back in with the orange on the outer portions. Don't want that orange to get lost. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes now, and I'm going to use brown. This is the e.l.f. Espresso liner, and I'm going to use this. Y'all already know I love me a good brown liner for a soft glam look. It just gives me all that I need. I'm really loving brown eyeshadow in general, regardless if it's soft glam or not, just because I love the way it makes my lashes look, being that I don't use falsies. Thinking about if I should wing it, not wing it out, and just let it. I'm gonna do a baby wing, and I'll probably smudge it out. Perfect. I love my eyes though, they look so pretty. They're like giving spring, but then they're soft at the same time. It's something about brown. Something about that brown, you guys. I think what I'm also gonna do is take a brush and kind of sultry up that outer V. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna go into the brown. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty primer. I'm gonna be using my Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This is in the shade 50N, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe foundation brush. Love this brush. This is one pump. Let's see how far we go. Y'all already know I don't like to put on a whole bunch of foundation, so I try to make as little bit of foundation go as far as possible. Alright, so foundation is applied. Are you guys excited for spring? I know I am. If any of you guys are from New York, you already know New Yorkers don't know how to act when that weather warm up. We don't know how to act, okay? We be acting goofy, stupid, bonkers when the weather get warm. Just don't know how to act. Yo, I am so feeling this eyeshadow. I love like the blown out line. This one kind of messed up a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna clean it up with concealer. So talking about concealer, we're going to go into concealer now. I'm going to be using my Dose of Colors concealer. This is in the shade Dark 24. If you guys saw my previous video, you already know that I've been using a little bit less product, so I just like to put it right there, put it right here, straighten up that line real quick, bring it down the sides of the nose. This is a lot less product than I used to use previously. Sometimes we just get so stuck on what we think we're supposed to be doing and we don't study what we need to do. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm going to go into the same Dose of Colors concealer, but this is in a lighter shade, 21. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the inner portion. Just mix it together. Just for more of a little bit of a highlight and down the bridge of the nose. I'm going to go in with my Hip Dot sponge and blend. This concealer dries really quick. It's kind of like the Fenty Beauty concealer. So if you've ever used that concealer, you know it dries super, super quick. So you don't really have much playtime. I so love that concealer. It just dries super quick. So you gotta move fast, but other than that, it's bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. Go ahead and blend out my nose now. So for today, we're gonna do the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. I haven't used this in a while. Ever since I got that Fenty Cashew Powder, I've been on a roll. But let's do this honey powder today. I'm just going to use my sponge, tap off any excess, and apply it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face, and I'm going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Deep 60. Fenty's Cocoa Naughty bronzer and apply that. For my highlighter, I had used the Becca Gradient Glow, and I think it's just like, you know, not too much, so I think I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight for today, because the colors in that palette just seem so much, and I still want to keep it kind of soft. I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, spray my face. Like I need a little more blush, so I'm going in with this Pure Face palette, and I'm taking that orange shade because, yeah, I don't know, I'm not seeing the blush. And it's so funny because I'm not a blush person, but ever since I've been doing this technique, kind of like bringing my blush up, I want the blush. Like, I want to see it. It's crazy. I'm just gonna do, I always do this, so boring, but it's okay. Fenty Unbuttoned. I'm literally gonna go on with gloss anyway, so when I put on the liquid lipstick, it's just for like a base because I'm gonna go in with gloss. Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Love my eyes, you guys. They look so good. It's like the perfect spring soft look. Alright, I'm gonna apply back my moles. And I just kind of wait for it to dry a little bit, and then after it dries I go over top it with like my powder brush, just to like not make it look so pronounced. My face is sitting, y'all. My face is sitting, you guys. I am gonna put some gloss on. I am gonna put some gloss. Oh, I love the way this soft glam came out. It came out so cute. Alright, I'm about to get dressed and I'll be back. You guys already saw this hairstyle. If you saw my welcome spring 2021 makeup video. Alright, you guys, so that is going to complete this video. This was my spring soft glam. Absolutely love the way my face came out. If you guys have ever seen one of my videos, you already know this is just like exactly how I love my looks to come out. Just love me a flawless face, and I love the fact that my eyes are soft, yet it has that pop of spring with the yellow. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Definitely hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. All my playlists will be linked down below. If you are new here, check me out. I have hair videos, makeup videos, and weekly vlogs. If you are not new here, you guys already know the love is real to all my subbies, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.